welcome back to my channel, and it's me, Jenny, again, and good to see you again. And today we're gonna go over Trove Skin app. Now, the Skin app is for personal coach, for skincare, and you know, I'm about skincare. So let's jump right in and see how the app is. Okay, so let's go into Trove Skin. So this app has a how to use the app. It will analyze your skin and the product and routine recommendations, and then identify your triggers. Okay, so it seems like we are due for a personalized quiz. Is it coming? Let's see. So we're gonna put my name, Jenny, and then, ooh, female. Oh, I'm glad that they have non-binary options. They are very on trend. With age, we're gonna put my age. I know. What skin concerns are you facing? Oh, let's see. I have rough texture, some acne, dehydration, large pores. It's kind of having a like combo skin is always like a mix, and a little bit of redness lately. So, what's your skin type? Combo. Oily, sensitive. I am sensitive. So like sensitized and sensitive is a little different. So sensitized is based on the product that you've been using, and sensitive is when your skin is actually reactive naturally. What are your skin goals? Ew. I would say more even tone, minimize pores, and less acne. Okay, so we're gonna do this with, let's do the Google option. Let's see. Okay, and then perfect. Trove Skin will take me to and guide me. All right, so we're now finally in the app. It says good afternoon, Jenny, because it is 1:41 p.m. And then today's Friday. It will tell me what time, what day. Cool. So it is so nice to have a greeting on top, and yep, just a vertical scrollable feature which shows me all the different types of, let's see, the first section is checklist. You could add products if you want to, can't find the products you want. So pretty much it's like the currently products you use. You could also add your daily skin log, which is amazing, and then you could take a selfie. Cool. So daily personalized insight. Okay, so let's see, what does this look like? Skin cells turnover. Okay, so there's a really quick education of what skincare is, and it's in each chapter. That is lovely because skin ed is my favorite thing. And I think everyone needs it. So this is a lot of good information to check out. And then you could put your skincare goal. I mean, it shows what I put in earlier, but you could also change it anytime you want. And then you could analyze your skin. Wow, I like that. You could do morning log, evening log, selfie. So let's go into the bottom navigation. When you see the home, my skin, product, routine, and insights. What I liked so much is that the app actually has an icon in the name, so you know exactly what you're getting. So you could identify triggers, and you could put your selfie log and get started. So, and then the products, also same thing, you have to add your products, and then routines. Okay, you could create your own routine on top. So let's see, if you created your current routine, then you could put in all the information. Let's say we put cleanser in, and then we'll put Derma E-Foam. Okay, so I put Derma E-Foam, and then it gives me all the cleanser that has the name Derma in it, which is pretty cool. All right, so we're gonna go down to, and then so that's how you will personalize it. And then insights, it will give you all the triggers and depending on the log and all that sort. So this is a really cool app to check out. I like that you could put notification on it. Overall, it's a really well-made app to do routines. Okay, let's see what the premium offers. So Trove Skin Premium is with daily personalized insight coaching. So I believe this is just, oh, I love that there's a 7-day trial, first of all. So what's cool about this app is that you could use a significant amount as a free trial or a free user. But if you wanted, if you cared a little more about, you know, skincare goals and all, then you can also subscribe for that. So that is a really cool option to have. Overall, I love this app, and I think this is a really cool app to check out. Okay, I am impressed with this app since it has so many layers of so many cool details, and I am so happy to say I will rate this app 5 out of 5. So why? Because it has all the things that you want to navigate through. The user flow is definitely 5 out of 5. My favorite part of this app is that I actually got skin education. I loved how the app had so many like skin cycle and so many cool features, so many chapters of education. So this was definitely my favorite part of the app. My least favorite, I actually don't have any. So I think for this app, for me, it was favorite. I love that it has 7-day trial and I could try it before I buy it. And the premium package is really cool too, because it gives you a coach that will navigate you through with such skincare expert knowledge. So I hope this video review has helped you to learn more about Trove Skin app, and I hope that I clarified some sort of information that you wanted to know how to use this app. And if you have any further questions, please feel free to comment down below. Like this video if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more cool skin beauty app as such. Talk to you soon. Bye!